You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? A very interesting word and confusing because you have two different pronunciations indeed in English. How do you say it? I'd be curious to know. British English, trachea, trachea. In American English, however, it's normally pronounced as trachea, trachea, with a stress on the first syllable. So trachea versus trachea. If you want to learn more pronunciation, skip until the end of the video. Stay tuned to the channel. Tons to learn here. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.